want it always, always,
If you seen the title, seen the thumbnail, they already know what type of video this is. If you don't know my name, new to my channel, my name is Key Key with 2 eyes, not a Y, and that's somewhere, that's on period. Okay, now, so y'all, I just came to get my ID from this place I went to go view or whatever. And I've been driving around without a driver license for like a day or whatever. But does that really matter? Because I'm just now getting my driver's license. Like, it ain't even been a year. Okay? So does it really matter? You've been driving illegal this whole time. You stay driving illegal. Okay? So, yeah, now me and my Madison Pookie butt, we finna go. Madison, come say hey to my channel. Come on. Come here. Come hey to my channel. Say hey. Say hey. Get back there. Go. Move. Move. Thank you so very much. Now, me and Madison, since we are already in Pasadena, we finna go to the park. You know, I always have well, y'all don't know, but I have a go-to park out here in Pasadena. So that's where me and Madison is finna go right now. And, you know, I'm finna, you know, continue to talk to y'all or whatever like that. Because I have been missing for some days, well, for a whole month and some days now. And I'ma just explain that or whatever. Well, not really too much explaining because I refuse to explain myself. But, you know, just a little something, you know. But yeah, I'm just gonna go, okay? I'm just gonna go. So yeah, I will see y'all in a minute, okay? Peace.
If I attracted you, I'm always attracted things. How come my superpowers don't work on you and me? You and me. Now I'm attached to you with invisible chains. How come my superpowers don't work on everything? Sometimes loving you. And it seems like just with love was the last thing on my mind.
That's that bullshit.
Why can't you be with me? Be with me. Be with me.
Manchester girl, London girl, thanks for vibing with me, spending time here with me, but I got things to do at home. Nobody wants to be alone. Just let me leave, baby. Yeah, I want to leave, baby. KC, I'm your Jodeci, baby. Now you're down, baby, from the underground, baby. This a uptown, this a west side, best side. It's the fuck the rest side. I'm still going, running, come. Yeah. There's no fighting, always running something. Yeah. Open your legs, let me see your body. Give me direction, show me your ride. Act like you want me, yeah. Shawty, you got it, good. Shawty, you got it. Shawty, you got it, good. Shawty, you got it. Shawty, you got it, good. Shawty, you got it. Shawty, you got it, good. Shawty, you got it. Shawty, you got it, good. Shawty, you got it. I'm still going, running, coming. There's no fighting, always running something. Open your legs, let me see your body. Give me direction, show me your ride. Act like you want me, yeah.
Hey y'all. It feels so good out here. Like, it feels so good. I feel like this is exactly what I needed. Like, to be out here by myself, just thinking about whatever. Like, yeah. this is exactly what I needed. To be outside, looking at the water, feeling the wind, hiding from the sun, but the sun's somewhere. So this is the perfect spot. So, oh, this dog, y'all. He looking at Madison. I think that is a boy. That is a boy. He looking at Madison. Cause Madison flaunting her tail. But, so y'all, last time y'all seen me was a month and 4 days ago. Somewhere around there, right? Okay. So, wait, let me fix this. Okay, so it was, when was it? Anyway, I just had like a little moment where like I didn't feel like recording. Like I wasn't feeling it. Like damn near I gave up on it. Like I was for sure that I did not want to do YouTube. But thank you to my current subscribers. I wish I knew who you were. I haven't posted a video in a whole month and so, and I got a whole new subscriber. Like that really gave me the motivation. You really gave me the motivation to like keep posting. So I thought about it and like boom, here I go making another video. And I chose this video because it's something calm. Like I don't want to put too much on myself, you know. Like I started to feel like YouTube was another job for me. I already got 2 jobs. Don't want neither one of them. And I didn't want to do anything else that made me feel like it was another job, you know. So I'm really taking my time with YouTube. Like, yeah, I want the viewers, yeah, I want the subscribers and stuff like that. Like, baby, I was literally overworking myself, and with me, it's like with the anxiety and like the pressure and stuff like that. Like, I don't like feeling like that, and I be already having to feel like that with certain stuff. So it's just like, no, I don't want nothing else to make me feel like that. So yeah. And then but this was like after the fact, you know, because like I be looking at, like when I post a video, if you pay attention, I post a video and it'd be like what, 7 days after the fact where I post my next video. I'm still new to YouTube, so I'm supposed to be posting every day, you feel me? And especially because I feel like I don't give y'all like content. Yes, I feel like I'm supposed to be posting every day, but that's just not the case for me. Like, I be having to deal with work, and then if I feel my depression or I'm just not feeling right at the moment, I am not going to vlog. And that be the case, because I had a video. It was for my what? My second baby brother, birthday or whatever. And I was supposed to be vlogging or whatever, you know, everybody having a great time or whatever. But at the end of that, baby, it took a left, okay? And it was just all bad, okay? Like I just broke down and I just put the phone down and I ain't recorded since. And like that situation, like it was still on my mind. So it was just like, it would like break me down or whatever. And yeah. So yeah, and like I said, like I'm still not over that. So it just be like, I mean, because like, okay, so let me just put it this way. It's it's just like, because that's still on my mind, like that's just, it's right there, like that be something like I want to talk about, whatever. But I don't put too much on here, and you know, like that's like family situations or whatever. That's like a family situation or whatever. So yeah, I don't really want to say too much about that because I still have yet to talk to, you know, the person that made me feel a certain type of way or whatever, where I just said forget recording, well, forget recording or whatever like that. But like I said, thanks to my YouTuber, thanks to my new subscriber, boo, you really, yeah. I was like, when I seen it, I was like, oh shit, I ain't post a video and I don't know how long, and I already got a new subscriber. Okay, appreciate you. I'ma keep it up or whatever. So yeah, y'all, that's really that. Like I really gave up on YouTube. But now I'm just gonna start doing stuff. Like not just doing stuff like just to like put stuff on here, but like, you know, I feel like I wanted to do pranks and, you know, other stuff like that. Like I really haven't did a prank, okay? I haven't got in the, what is it? Because I just feel like you do a prank to the wrong person. Oh my gosh, bro. Who knows what could happen? So, yeah, I don't. But I do have a real good prank in mind. Like it's real good. But I know, oh my, I can't even say too much because like my family, they do be watching my YouTube. So it just be like, you know, I don't want to throw out a hint that like this type of prank is coming, you know. So just, yeah, just stay tuned, and I'm gonna make sure I catch it, like I record it, cause what? But I'm not even gonna cap to y'all. I don't know when I'm gonna post this video. Well, girl, yeah, I'm overthinking already. Like 9 times out of 10, I made the, well, shit. I really can't even say that because I recorded a video taking my nieces to this park, and baby, I ain't even post that video. So it's just like, yeah, I don't know, y'all. Who knows? Who knows? I mean, yeah. Ooh, get this line. Get off my thing, girl. Oh. So y'all, oh, and then, you know, I'm dealing with the stress of like, because I didn't renew my lease or whatever. It's time for me to move or whatever. And like I still have yet to find that place I want to be at or whatever. It probably don't be no condo. It probably be no townhouse. At this point, baby, I just want a regular apartment, okay? I'm just so ready to be done with it. I just want a regular apartment, just whatever. Like just get in and just decorate it, and yeah. But I'm dealing with the pressure of like getting something so nice, like it's so frustrating. Like I want my money's worth, you know. Like I've been working so hard. It's just like fuck. I deserve like something luxury, but y'all luxury in Houston is crazy. Like bro, and oh my gosh, it just be so good. Like y'all just so good. And who created brown cabinets? Like y'all need y'all ass whooped. Like that shit is so ugly, and that's another thing. Like I refuse to get an apartment with brown cabinets. Girl, you better come in before a bird get you. Come here, come here. Cause look here, a big old bird flop down here and get you. I'm not reaching. I'm not reaching. Sit down, bro. You tripping. I don't know what you chasing after anyway, but hell, but what was I saying? Some brown cabinets. Yeah, like y'all be having brown and black and I don't know. Can I say khaki? I'm okay with. I don't know. Let me not say khaki. But oh, that is a big deal. Anyway, yeah, like, bro, the cabinets they be having is just so fucking ugly. Like, my cabinets have to be white. Like, literally, like, the inside apartment, it has to be white. Like, or gray or something like that. Like, ugh. Like, all this other stuff is just so ugly. Like, and then I'm picky. Like, I said that before. Like, I'm so picky. So, like, it's like I want my apartment to look a certain kind of way. And homie, you can't blame me for that. I'm the one paying for it. So, yeah, but I found like what? I found two. One of them, it probably be a townhouse. Oh, look at the dog. You're so cute. But I found two apartments or whatever. One of them is in Pasadena, and the other one is somewhere around in Houston or whatever. Yeah, trying to find a new place is, I'm just ready for it to be over with. Like, honestly, I am. Oh my gosh. I don't know what's going on. I'm starting to cough. And my eyes is, I'm not feeling this at all. But I can't wait for everything to be done with. I'm really looking forward to it. You know, the best part about it is, you know, when it's all said and done or whatever. And when it's all said and done, my shit gonna look fire. Okay, period. So, yeah, that's that. I don't know. It was this townhouse. It was so freaking beautiful. So freaking beautiful. I think I want that. But then again, I know, like, I was doing my research. Like, I was looking at the comments or whatever like that, right? Madison, girl, be careful. I hope you know how to fight. Because these pigeons come down here and double team you and take you away. I'm trying to tell you, girl. Like, okay, so it was like a three floor townhouse or whatever. So you had the garage, and then on the second floor you had the kitchen, the dining room, and the living room with a half bathroom or whatever. And then on the third floor you had the 2 bedrooms and 1 bedroom. That's the bedroom. It had a stand-up shower and the tub. You know, that's something that I need. And then in the other one, you know, it was a, you know, regular tub or whatever with the bathroom or whatever in the other room. I need that. That's cute. You know, it looked real good in the inside and stuff like that. So yeah. And then the one out here or whatever, I viewed their apartments a couple of times. Because I wanted the 1 bedroom in the den or whatever with the stand-up shower in the tub, because like I said, that's something that I need. The kitchen, both kitchens was beautiful or whatever. Yeah, but the thing is, why I end up not getting that one, because these motherfuckers gave it away. Like, are y'all kidding me? Like, ugh, like, get on my nerves. So, just based off how they acting, I probably end up going to the other one or whatever. And then I thought about getting a house. Girl, when it's all said and done, baby, I don't want a house. I feel like I'm not ready for a house, okay? When I get a house, I feel like I want to be married and, you know, something like that. Like I don't really want to be by myself in a house. Okay, like yeah, I don't want to be by myself in a house. But an apartment, a condo, a townhouse, I could be by myself in them. So that's cool. But then again, it ain't even more about like being by myself. It's just like I just don't want a house. Like I just don't want a house. No. And then, okay, well, I don't want to rent a house, okay? I want to have my own house. So that way I can put it how I want to. Because I feel like as soon as I get into a house, baby, I'm finna start changing everything, okay? And they say if you rent a house, you got to change everything back or whatever. Okay, that's cool, but it's just like... When I say change some stuff, I'm talking about change some stuff. So, yeah, it's just a house. No, I'd rather get a 2-bedroom, a 3-bedroom, and, you know, have my room, my content room, and, you know, a guest bedroom or whatever. Like, you know, stuff like that. So, yeah. I feel like it's going to be okay. It's going to be okay. It's going to be okay. Good thing is I have to move at the end of July, so July 30th, July 31st. Them are my move out dates. One of them are my move out dates. So I plan on moving. I want to move before. So yeah. That way they give me time to put my stuff in the other apartment and fix up my current apartment so I can get my deposit back. Okay? Like, yeah, run that back. So, what did I do? I took a board off the book stand so I can put my fish tank that I have no fishes in still. But, yeah, put that board back on there or whatever. And then I gotta paint the walls because I got belt marks on the walls. I'm trying to whoop Madison ass. And then I still have and then she scratched her. I don't know, the girl was eating paint out the window when she was a baby, y'all. Like, so I gotta fix that back. So yeah, I mean, I will be getting my deposit back. Okay, it's cool. I already turned in my 60-day notice. I tried to turn that in real early. Okay, it's crazy because I don't know where I'm finna move to, but baby, I want to be the fuck up out of here. You feel me? I want to be up out of here. I gotta be. Work is going real fine. I ain't got no complaints on that. What else? Love life. Cool. Love life, cool. Family, even though I want to chop off their motherfucking necks sometimes and set them on fire. At the end of the day, they're my heart, so we cool. I ain't gonna lie, like I hold grudges, like I really hold grudges. So it's like even if like we not here, like we not talking and shit, like I still be thinking about you. Like I still like, you know, like bro, I'll be at your house right now. You feel me? Like I'll be talking to you right now. Like I'll be sending some retarded shit to your phone right now. But yeah, like I'm still, yeah, I'm fragile. So yeah, I'm just chill. I'm just cool. You know? So that's really it. Like now that I got this far into the video, like I feel like whoop. Baby, I don't know what type of flight it was. But yeah, y'all. Right now we just enjoying the view. And I had to get on here and talk to y'all a little bit because I said I was different. Yeah, I'm finna chill, listen to my music, probably color some more until I feel like leaving. Before I leave, I will be showing y'all the ducks. I'll be showing y'all the water. I had too much stuff in my hand, and then Madison, I had her on the leash so she wouldn't run off the bridge and fall in the water. It's a lot, y'all. So I can make sure to show y'all everything and stuff like that. Well, actually, here's the duck. You better not go so far, Madison. Leave her alone. Yeah, y'all. So, yeah, I will talk to y'all in a while. I will see y'all in a minute. And, yeah. Bye. Madison. As y'all seen, I went to the store to grab a couple things. So yeah. I love these. Love, love, love these. And then, I never tasted this one, but I want to try it because it's pink. So yeah, I will be sure to let y'all know what this tastes like. My water still got glitter in it. And this thing still got glitter. Oh. Bro, why y'all do that? Oh my gosh. Y'all owe me a flower, fuck. There we go. Wait, I can Okay, you guys, this is the end of the video. Okay, I am fit to edit this video and I am finna post it. After that, I am finna get in a shower, I'm finna eat something, and I'm finna just relax until I fall asleep. I do have work in the morning and I gotta get up so early, so y'all might not see me. I'm telling y'all now. Well, to be honest, you're not gonna see me for the first couple of days after I post this video, but I guarantee you will see me again. I am not going to stop with my YouTube. I'm not gonna stop. I'm gonna keep going. I still have a little bit of faith and I'm gonna keep using that faith. So yeah, I don't know what's to come with the next video. Y'all just stay tuned. I love y'all. Thank y'all for supporting me. Make sure y'all like and comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Okay, and yeah, I'll see y'all later. Bye.